Hi, myself Pramod Kumar. In this video, I am demonstrating transfer and drain characteristics of JFET. For this experiment, I considered N-channel JFET. The instance name is 2N3819. The gate terminal voltage as VGG and drain terminal voltage as VDD with a ground for the source, and markers for input VGS and output VDS with a reference voltage R1. The detailed description of this experiment you can download from below link. This includes transfer curve and parameters to measure from it. Setup included with the drain characteristics and parameters to measure from the characteristics. Let me begin with our CAD Capture CIS tool. Double click on this. You'll get a window or CAD Capture, File, New, Project. Here give a experiment reference name. Here I am giving JFET EXP. Then select analog or mixed mode instance library. Path to save this experiment. Then select create a blank project. Immediately after this, you have a window with no instances. Then go to place. In that port, the port on the right side, you have a library with a parts available. For this, here I am considering a JFET, so that JFET instances begin with the J. As mentioned in the circuit here, J2N 3819. Press enter to obtain the instance. Then place a drain reference load resistance R with a supply voltages on the gate terminal and drain terminal. For better view, I am making zoom here. Take a wire, connect the terminals. Then place a marker, that is measurement marker as VCC from the top for drain terminal and gate terminal. Rename them as input terminal marker as VGS, that is gate to source, then VDS as drain to source, the input voltage as VGG, drain voltage as VDD, and place a ground. Select 0 cap SEM for source terminal. In PSpice option, select new simulation profile. Give a reference profile for simulation as a test 1 or any other reference name. Immediately after that, there will be a window pop-up. Here you need to select DC sweep. For transfer characteristics, primary sweep is VGG, varying from 0 to -5 with a step size -0.5, and secondary voltage as VDD, varying from 0 to 30 with a step size 15. Then go back to PSpice, run this simulation profile. You have a PSpice on the background. Open. Here there is no reference in x-axis and y-axis. Here you need to select x-axis variable as in plot and y-axis variable in trace. Go to plot axis setting, select axis variable like VGS for transfer characteristics, trace, and ID for y-axis parameter. Here you're seeing two curves. I will making a little bit bold here. The two characteristics on the top, what you're seeing here is 30 volts of drain, and the next one is 15 volts of the drain. Okay, here the topmost current, what you are getting on y-axis is IDSS, and here the gate voltage is VGS off. Then if you want to make a drain characteristics, close this window, go back to PSpice, edit simulation profile. Primary sweep will be VDD, varying from 0 to 30 with a 1 volt step size, and secondary sweep as VGG 0 to -5 with a step size -1. Press OK. In PSpice, run this simulation profile. Then you have a PSpice window. Select x-axis parameter from plot axis setting. For drain characteristics, x-axis variable will be VDS, and y-axis parameter will be ID. Let me make it a bright for the reference. Here what you are seeing, y-axis is ID and x-axis is VDS. In the first characteristics, what you're seeing here is for VGS 0 volts. The next one is for -1 volts. The next -2 volts. And other characteristics like -3, -4 or -5, you can't see because there is no current on the device. And pinch off voltage can be considered from 3 volts on this characteristics, and IDSS you can consider like 12 milliamps from the VGS equal to 0 transfer curve. This is it. Thank you.